guys, it's Ashley from Not Into Reviews, and today we're unboxing Universe Bound Book Box. This is their very first, their debut subscription box. It is a science fiction slash fantasy and those sorts of books in one box. I do like, it has a little sticker here. It says Universe Bound. Cut the seal, open the box, explore the universe, and that's really cool. It's $32.99 in the US for this subscription. They do ship to Canada. I saw India and international, different rates do apply. I think they put the shipping though into the cost of the box, so then you don't have to worry about any additional shipping fees. I will link down below to my full review. It's kind of one of those days, like I woke up, I was like, I'm gonna get so much done. I'm gonna get so much done. And then I get into one task and I'm like, wow, I really underestimated the time it would take for this. So anyway, we're gonna do some unboxing therapy and just have fun opening this up. All right, so you pop it out, open. And it says Universe Bound Book Box 1. It tells us everything that's in here. It doesn't look like it has a theme unless, I'm not sure. But I like the artwork on there. Isn't that cool? Kind of reminds me of like Game of Thrones style. All right. So first, I'm going to let you guys look. Right here you can see there's a candle. I like getting candles. All right, this is Universe Bound candle. Nag Champa scented. Let's see if we can, it's all sealed. How fancy. Oh, and it's purple. Oh, it smells good. Ah, that's actually really nice. You guys know if you watch enough of my videos, I receive a lot of incense, but I don't use incense. They give me a headache, the smoke. So it's nice. I don't mind the smell of the actual incense though. So being able to like burn a candle that smells like an incense is kind of cool. I ain't gonna lie. So I like that. All right. Next we have a tea infuser, which is always cool to have. This is one of the ones that clips open. Has a clip right here. I'm trying to hold the box on my lap. I need to like clear off this table right here and just have it in front of me and have like a box table. So anyway, there's that. Maybe we're getting tea. What do you guys think? Ooh, Universe Bound tea and treats. The card probably tells us pumpkin spice chai from the Tea Spot. Includes black tea, ginger root, cardamom, cinnamon, allspice, cloves, black pepper, and pumpkin flavoring. I want to smell it though. It's all bagged up. Isn't that cute? I can still smell it though through the little bag. All right, so it's from the Tea Spot. He's a very common, very popular, you know what I mean, tea provider of tea. Tea's down. All right, then we have what looks like a little teaspoon. I don't know if that's what it's for. I'm going to show you. Look at the little flower leaf thing there. Isn't that neat? Stainless steel flower teaspoon. Cool. That is nice. Oh, I like that a lot. Oh my. All right. Then we have bookmarks. So there's one Mythical Legends Publishing. Then there's one Universe Bound, which is their own bookmark, which is really cool. I like their artwork. I don't know if they do it themselves. And then another Universe Bound, Read, Entertain, Desire. So there's that for your book, clearly. And then there's a discount code off all books from Mythical Legends Publishing, Aereo Online Bookstore. I'm not going to share that with you because I don't know if that's subscriber only. Then we have, ooh, more tea. Ooh, maybe this is just how they wrap up their, oh no, there's candies in here. Ooh, there's a bunch of hard candies. How many? Holy macaronis. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candies. I don't know how they got them all in here. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. I like how they put them in little tins though. Isn't that cute? You can save them and put other stuff. I don't know what, but stuff, whatever. All right, so now we're down to our book here. Oh no, there's 2 books. How cool is that? Oh man, especially if you're like a big reader, because I can go through, if you like to read, you can go through a book in, you know, a week, not even. My husband goes through books like they're nothing. So the first, and this is a thin book here. This is from P. Djeli Clark. It's called The Black God's Drums, a sinewy mosaic of Haitian sky spirits, Wiley Street Urchins, and Orisha magic. Ooh, that's fun. I bet my husband's gonna like this box because it's got like science fiction and fantasy, and that's like really in his wheelhouse. So this looks more like a fantasy novel. This is called Elena's Song Overture by J.M. Landals. This has that really like soft, almost indie book covering. So I don't know if this is like an indie book, which I think is kind of exciting. You can't hide from magic when it's in your blood. Ooh, this looks super cool. So that is everything that I received in my Universe Bound book box. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to their site if you're interested in ordering down below as well. There is a coupon code. I'll put that down there too, just so you guys, if you're interested, you can get a discount, which is awesome. So what do you guys think? Let me know down below if you like this box. Are you into science fiction? Are you into fantasy novels? What kind of fantasy novels? I'm really interested to hear. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.